How to disable automatically turn off screen on Android. If your screen turns off too quickly, you can easily increase the screen timeout from the display settings. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Next, scroll down and tap Display and Brightness. Here, look for the Auto Screen Off option. Tap on it, and you'll see several time options for how long the screen should stay on when you're not using it. Choose a longer duration, such as 5 minutes or 10 minutes, depending on the options available on your phone. If you want the screen to stay on for as long as possible, simply select the longest available time. And that's it. Your Android phone will now wait longer before automatically turning off the screen. Keep in mind that a longer screen timeout can use more battery, so it's a good idea to choose a duration that works for you. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more simple Android tips and step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.